Hey, good morning. So here we are again at an airport at 6 a.m. It's our favorite thing to do. But we are super excited to be traveling. First time that we're actually traveling over a holiday weekend, which it is proving to be everything that everybody hypes it up to be. Just flip around behind me and you can see the crowd behind. It is full flights for the 6:45 a.m. flight. So I am really excited to get going. I'm not going to tell you where we're going yet, but we're ready. We're exploring a new country. We're finally going international, first time since the pandemic. So I'm really excited to finally be getting out of the country a little bit and enjoying ourselves, exploring a new country, and gotten one more stamp in my passport. So I will catch up with you throughout our trips and take you along. Can't wait to explore everything that my destination has to offer. Where are we going next? Let's go. Well, we have been blessed many, many times by the traveling gods, getting us to our destination safe and sound with little delay, little mishap. But today took the cake, and we travel a lot, and this was a new one. So our flight from Norfolk down to Miami left on pretty much on time, about 20 minutes late. And then everything was going fine. We get close to Miami and we're told that there's some weather that we are going to be put in a holding pattern for a little bit. No big deal. Then the pilot comes on and says he doesn't have enough fuel to get us to Miami. So we had to stop in West Palm Beach and refuel because, you know, you can't go 20 more minutes down the road, and then retake off and re-land at Miami Airport. Then when we get here, of course, our gate has now been, our original gate was taken, so we had to wait for a plane to move. Then when we get to our gate, the people who, you know, hook up the bridge to the plane, they were having trouble with it. So they had to go get help. So we literally, from the time that we pulled up to the gate, we didn't get off the plane for 45 minutes. And the whole time we're sitting there freaking out because our time, our 3-hour layover is ticking away, and we're panicking that we're not going to make our flight. Well, thank God that the gods again shined on us and they delayed our flight by 40 minutes. So we made it. They're about to board our flight now, and we'll touch wood, knock on wood, get there safe and sound. But it's been an adventurous day. Catch up with you later. We are on the plane, finally. Sorry, it's they're doing the announcement right now. So anyway, super excited. Bienvenidos a Dominican Republic. We made it to Cabal, Santiago de Cabal, here in the Dominican Republic after a very eventful journey that we will tell you all about later. What's really cool though is that our driver, we went through Caribbean Tours, and our driver was waiting for us with a sign with my name, greeted us. He's gone to get the vehicle now, and we're just waiting on him. So I'll let you know how the drive is as we go. Looking forward to getting to our resort, having some food, and God, having that first cocktail of our vacation. Talk to you later. Okay, my goodness, here we go. So we finally got checked in. Well, we finally arrived, got checked in, and now we are dying of hunger because we haven't eaten all day. I will fill you in on all of the craziness that was our day of flights and travel. But for now, we're gonna go over to the buffet restaurant because we're just too tired to actually have to think about what we want to eat. So we're just gonna go eat everything because when you don't know what to eat, just eat it all. And then we're gonna walk around a little bit and see the club. I probably won't shoot much tonight. Tomorrow when I'm all refreshed, I will certainly fill you in. All right, I look forward to catching up with you soon. Where are we going next? Let's go.